Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Another test video. Okay. Module number 16. Simple harmonic motion. Okay. Entire contents being shown in a single display. Okay. Examples of simple harmonic motion. Okay. How many examples? From A to H, meaning 8. Okay. Then characteristics of simple harmonic motion. Okay. These characteristics will be on next page. Okay. How many characteristics? 4 characteristics. Okay. Four characteristics, and then some explanation about simple harmonic motion. Okay. Okay. Entire contents being shown in a single display. Okay. Mathematical expression. Okay, for simple harmonic motion. Equation 1, f external equal to kx. Equation 2, f equal to minus kx. Next page. Entire contents being shown in a single display. Okay. F equal to minus kx naught, equation 3. A equal to minus k over mx, equation 4. Okay. A is directly proportional to minus x, and acceleration is directly proportional to minus displacement. Now we move on to next page, that is page number 6. Okay, this is page number 6. Entire contents being shown in a single display. Okay. First sentence, this type of motion, and the last second is called frequency. Okay. Nothing is outside the area selected to be shown on computer screen. Okay. Vibration, time period T, frequency F. T is equal to 2 pi m over k under root. Okay. Dear students, here under root is written very roughly. Okay. The bar is written in one line and remaining portion is written in the other line. Okay. Because as I have already discussed sometimes that these modules were typed many years earlier. Okay. In the year 2007 and 2008, and at that time I had no knowledge about math type software. Okay. So typing is of low quality, but it conveys the sense quite appropriately. Okay. Now we move on to next page, that is page number 7. Okay. Entire contents being shown in a single display. Okay. Here again, dear students, you can see that frequency is equal to 1 over time period is equal to 1 over 2 pi under root k over m. Here the symbol under root has been written, has been typed in 2 separate lines. Okay. Upper portion of the symbol under root, that is simply a bar, is typed in above line while the remaining portion of this symbol is typed in the other line. Okay, because at that time I did not know how to type in math type software. Okay, then displacement, then amplitude, basic conditions for a frictionless system to execute simple harmonic motion. Okay, now we move on to next page, that is page number 8. Entire contents being shown in a single display. Okay, simple pendulum, figure simple pendulum. Okay, now we move on to next page, that is page number 9. Entire page is being shown in a single display. Okay, nothing is outside the area selected. Okay, now we are moving towards the next page. Okay, this is the next page. The whole page is shown in a single display. Okay, time period, here again time period t equal to 2 pi under root L over G. Here again, as in the previous case, the simple under root has been typed in two different lines. Okay, upper portion of the symbol, that is simply a bar, is typed in above line, while remaining part of the symbol is typed in the other line. Okay, so no doubt poor quality of typing, but it is conveying the sense exactly. Okay, time period t equal to 2 pi under root L over G. Okay, then natural frequency and natural time period of a simple pendulum. Now we are moving towards the next page, that is page number 11. All contents are being shown in a single display. Factors upon which time period depends. Here again, the same situation has been repeated twice. That symbol of under root has been typed in two different steps. Okay, upper portion of this symbol is typed in above line, while the remaining portion of the symbol is typed in the lower line. As t is directly proportional to under root L. Okay, here again that thing has been repeated, and no doubt this shows poor quality of typing. Okay, this is the next page, and here again that poor quality of typing has been repeated twice. Okay, also time period t is directly proportional to 1 over G under root. Under root has been typed in two different lines, two different portions. Okay, then again applications of simple pendulum. First application to determine length of a wire hanging from a tower, and second application to determine the value of G. To determine length of a wire hanging from a tower, in this case once again that poor quality of typing has been repeated. Okay, now we are moving to the last page of our module, and this is the end of our module. I think it is enough. Okay.